Okay. This is Shelly. I'm from Shunhao factories. This is our machine making the automatic grindings for the round shape. So it is automatically from here, and this is the stong grinding. Then he will go to the sanding, and then last he will go for the polishing. So this machine is very easy to run and also easy for the laborers. So this machine now it is working very well in this warehouse, and also very no dust because there's a dust collecting machines here. This machine can be used for round and for different shapes, oval shape, rectangle shape also. So this is 3 head, 1, 2, 3. So if you have a demand of this automatic grinding machines from China, Shunhao should be your first number 1 choice and number 1 supplier in China. So welcome you to visit us, Shunhao factory in China, and follow Shelly. I'm Shelly from China. Thank you.